Hey guys, so today I thought of cleaning the solar panels, but it's raining, so we don't have a pressure washing gun, so we are gonna be using the rain to literally wash this stuff off. You go. Okay. And it's perfect actually because we don't have a pressure washing gun to clean this. I literally get all the shit out of here, and in case my phone shuts off all of a sudden, I feel like I'm gonna be screwed. Right when I just started to come on top, it started raining. Just bloody hilarious at one point. There's people watching me as well. It's kind of slippery as well over here.
Yeah, so the main reason I thought of using broom is because the bristles underneath is not that hard, right? So it wouldn't scratch the solar surface, and it's quite easier to just wash the water through all of the parts, so it just gets slightly clean. And I'm pretty sure that we are not supposed to use any harmful chemicals. I didn't even want to use. They say that using dish soap is okay, but I just didn't want to risk it. So my initial plan was just taking a bucket of water over here and just pouring it off, cleaning all this gross shit. And yeah, that was the plan. But since it was raining, it just made my job way easier. But yeah, and do not do this because the roof is really slippery. Like once the rain started pouring a lot, I thought I was gonna slip, even though. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend this, but yeah, so please don't try this at home. But anyway, my point is the broom works. I would say the broom works because I was able to get a lot of there was no dust or anything. Only thing was there was dried crow shit. There was a lot of crow shit. You'll see patches here and there. So the broom was soft enough to scrub those off. So yeah, it works. I would say the broom helps. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like.